what a good boy you are. I got it. Ready?
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for another Vlogmas episode. So as I mentioned on Friday's episode, I didn't post over the weekend any Vlogmas videos because I had a Decorate With Me video that was already scheduled for Sunday. So now we have got 2 days worth of vlogs. Now I remembered to vlog what we were doing, but I forgot to talk to the camera and explain what was going on. So I'm still getting the hang of this whole vlogging thing. You'll have to bear with me with a voiceover for this episode. Now we started the day with a bit of a declutter and organize of my craft supplies, which are not very frequently used at all. I am not a DIYer or a crafter, but I wanted to get them sorted out to do a few Christmassy activities over the holidays. I tried to downsize it to a smaller size container, but it just wouldn't fit. So we're going to try and use up some of those craft supplies over the holidays and then downsize it to that smaller size container. Next up, we are making a beautiful green smoothie. One thing I do love about hot weather is that you can have really super icy cold green smoothies. I'm trying this Naked Harvest Gorgeous Greens. Gonna be honest and say it wasn't my super favorite flavor. Green supplements always have a really strong flavor, but this one has a mango flavoring on top of it, and I think it was just a little bit weird. I don't know, I'll probably get used to it and I'll definitely use it up because it's not the cheapest thing to buy.
Ooh, and in a while
I think that next time I buy greens, I'll just go back to my normal super greens. As you can see, I got my hand on my hip and I don't give you the usual okay thumbs up.
in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
What a good boy you
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire.
Ready? See it?
'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
Good
Let me
boy.
give you a Christmas, moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Now, a few videos ago, I shared with you a Madam Glam gel nail kit that I got sent for review, and a lot of people asked how it was taking the nail polish off. It does come with a soak off nail remover, but I prefer actually just to soak your nails in some warm soapy water, and once the edge of the polish starts to lift, you can just kind of gently peel it away and it comes off in one big piece. As you can see here, when you use the gel remover, it kind of makes it all bubble up and then you have to scrape it off. I used a wet wipe in the end to get it off, but it was much messier. Honestly, just soak them in some warm soapy water for 5 minutes and then they just peel off. Comes off in one piece, super easy. So I just spent about 20 minutes redoing my nails in a new color. This one turned out to be like a little bit of a frosty kind of pearl finish, which I didn't realize I bought when I ordered it online, but I quite like it for the holidays. It gives a nice change to my usual matte pinky brown nudie taupey type colors. I really do love this nail kit. They sent it to me gifted as a little product to review and share on my channel, and I do have a discount code if you're interested, but I genuinely love it. I love the fact that you can do your nails at home, you can switch out the colors whenever you want, you save money, and you're not getting your nails trashed like when you go to the salon and they use those filing machines to remove your nail polish and take off half your nail with it.
Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is...
Okay, now Jake came back from his dad's a day or 2 days early. Riley was at a sleepover, so he came back later. Jake and I love watching these Korean cooking channels, Aaron and Claire. I will leave a link below to the recipe that we followed for this Korean army stew, budae or something like that. I don't know how to say it. Annyeong haseyo, that's all I can say in Korean. But we made it. Listen, it's not something I'm going to be adding to my weekly recipe repertoire for the family, but it was fun to make. It was super tasty. It was very meat heavy. It's called Korean army stew. Obviously, it was made during the Korean War, I guess, when there were Americans in Korea, and you can see that it's got a lot of American processed foods that would be available during wartime or in the army. So that is how it came about. Like I said, it's super tasty, but not something that we'd probably be eating, every week. It was just a fun thing to make because we saw it on the internet, thought that looked tasty, a nice thing to make on the weekend. Jake and I love cooking together. Riley and I love baking together. So we have kind of all the bases covered. We've got the savory, we've got the sweet. So this was a fun thing to make with kids. And if you want to give it a go, I will leave the original YouTube channel that we got the recipe inspiration from, and you can have a try if you like this kind of food. Now Spam, I haven't had Spam, I don't think, since I was 12 years old in Girl Guides going on a camp. It is absolutely not my favorite, but it is in a lot of Korean cooking videos and recipes. So Jake really wanted to try it. I don't know if it's his favorite either, but at least he had a go of it. I love that Korean spice paste because it is very, very flavorful, but it is not super, super hot. It is like a mild spice. If we were going to make this again, which we probably will make it again when Riley's home, because we sent him some photos of it when he was on his sleepover and he was like, oh, that looks interesting. I would add a lot more veggies and probably less of the heavily processed things. So it wouldn't be super, super traditional, but it would be like an adaptation of this stew style meal. The broth was really, really delicious. So very flavorful. So definitely recommend giving it a go, even if you tweak it so that it is just not so sort of processed heavy.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you.
Had a bit of a chill but early morning start on Sunday morning. Had my Christmas Decorate With Me video that was in collaboration with Samsung Australia go live. That's why there was no Vlogmas scheduled, because I already had that video planned. Definitely very proud of working with such a well-known brand on my little YouTube channel. So that was a good one for me and a bit of a milestone for the channel as well. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It is where I switched up my entire living room, making room for the Christmas tree, of course, decorating for Christmas, and just getting ready for the holiday season, which I absolutely love. Honestly, I love when the house is decorated for Christmas. It makes me just smile looking at the Christmas tree. I have it lit up all through the day even. It's so, so pretty, and it just makes such a beautiful impact on the entire room. So definitely go and check out that video. I'll leave it linked in the description below.
So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh.
Jake and I then just popped over to the city for the afternoon and got as much Christmas shopping done as possible. We almost have it finished. I'm gonna go finish it up today before I pick Riley up. My goal was to have it done by the time school breaks up for the holidays, which is this Friday. I think Riley will end up finishing on Thursday. He never usually goes on the last day of school. So we are set for being on track for having a very, very organized Christmas, which is great. And here little Freddie was just absolutely tuckered out. He had to spend a few hours at home by himself while we went out shopping, but he's got his little Piggly Wiggly and he is happy as a little pig in mud himself. So guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me for another Vlogmas episode. I will see you back here tomorrow as we continue our Vlogmas series right up until Christmas Eve.